how to turn off or on storage on create shoppable photos and videos on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and then click the three lines here and click settings and then click permissions. Now just wait few seconds and then scroll down and here we'll find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.